This integrated LED fog lamp features a custom reflector for enhanced light range and clear illumination. The aluminum alloy shell speeds up heat dissipation, keeping the light cool during operation. Adjustable bracket achieve lighting level adjustment, enabling users to direct light exactly where it's needed. The constant voltage and constant current driver provides a stable power supply, ensuring a fast and reliable start every time. The light color switches easily with a simple on-off action, offering multiple options. 3035 series fog light is dual color design for better light penetration through dust, rain, or fog. The initial start activates 6000 Kelvin white low beam with 980 lux at 5 meters. The second start activates 3000 Kelvin golden yellow high beam with 2480 lux at 5 meters. And the third start offers both high and low beams at 4300 Kelvin, delivering 1990 lux at 5 meters. The 3035 fog light offers a wider beam and higher brightness, ensuring better visibility and safety compared to normal fog lights. There are 4 types of brackets available, compatible with Toyota, Wrangler, and some other common vehicle models.